We're back again. We're in my kitchen. It's Tom Kerner from Broadway V.
Rob from National Smart Home. And we want to help you guys get ready for the holidays. One of my favorite things is music, of course.
Oh, critical.
But when it comes to the holidays, Lutron makes a device that is absolutely priceless. Now we're going to talk about the lighting in the kitchen, which is important for different scenes.
Right.
But this device is the plug-in module with the Pico. You know what I'm talking about?
Yeah.
For people who have holiday lighting, and especially if they're elderly and they have the Christmas tree, they have the menorah that they have to plug in. You take that plug-in module, and it's probably
the
60 or 70 bucks. Lamp control. Plug the tree into the lamp control, plug the lamp tree into the wall, and then basically Tom can put a remote control right on the table. Very nice looking remote control. It's really small. Very old picture up. And you now can have your customer control that Christmas tree or Hanukkah menorah, any holiday light from one button on that Pico. Right. And I'll put a picture up again of what I'm talking about, because it's the easiest way to get in a house and let the customer understand lighting control. The other thing you can offer, as we've talked about, is outdoor lighting. Some of these people put up really extravagant lighting, and I can't imagine how much they're paying for them to light up the neighborhood. And I wonder how many people walk out in the morning to go to work and say, "Oh, I left it on all night." Again, back to Lutron, you know.
So that their astronomical clock solves all those problems. So the beauty of RadioRA 2 is that I'm not running any new wires in your house. I'm taking out dumb switches and replacing them with smart switches. And at a few locations, I'm taking that switch out and replacing it with a 6-button keypad, which I can create scenes on. So, with that outdoor lighting, we know what circuits they are. You tell me, the homeowner, I'd like him to come on 30 minutes before sunset, and I'd like him to go off at 11.
It's amazing.
And it's done. Because now, every day, sunset's happening, 5 to 10 minutes earlier. So the astronomical clock saves you all the time. Because you don't come home June 2nd to your, at 6 o'clock, and the lights are already on. Meanwhile, it's not going to get dark till 8 because you forgot to go out. Your little adjust by little. No, that's Stone Age. Lutron RadioRA is completely retroed into a house, and any portion of that house you want. What I love, and what families love, is that I can turn on their outdoor lights relative to sunset. But when you come home and you hit the car visor, it opens up your car door, your garage door, excuse me. It turns on all the lights in the garage, not that little 60-watt bulb that's hiding in your motor. And then it turns on the path to the mudroom, into the kitchen, the family room, breakfast area, all lit up. Super, especially if you have young kids and you've got your grocery bags and you're about to go head over heels because Johnny left his toy on the floor right where you're about to walk. So super convenient, but also a real safety.
And when you're leaving the house, that one I'm
all off
shuts them all off.
No, tremendous. In a kitchen, in the room we've been talking about, typically you're going to have 4 or 5 circuits of lighting, right? You're going to have your under cabinet lighting. You're going to have hi-hats in the ceiling, sort of general area illumination. You may have some wall washers that are throwing light onto objects that you want to draw attention to. And then you're going to have your task lighting. And all those layers go together to set a scene that is appropriate for what you're doing. So you've got a cooking scene, you've got a cleanup scene, you've got a, okay, we're serving food scene, so we take this bright light down, and now we're going to go sit down. We're going to sit down in the breakfast room, we're going to sit down in the living room. We need some light in here, but it's no longer a working space, so we can really take it down.
And I'll put some pictures up to show, because I put some pictures up of the lighting that you guys have on BravoAV.com. Go to galleries, go to kitchen, and you can see the warmth. You could see the ambience in a picture. So imagine sitting there with the lights dim.
Well, so we're very much involved with lighting design. And with the new LEDs, we've got a lot of things we can do. You've got to figure out what the color temperature is. You got to make sure you got the right CRI. You got to get the right beam spread. You got to get the right luminance value in that fixture. we work on all that.
Right.
So that you have what you need.
But when you talk about CRI and lumens, you don't have to worry about that. You're going to allow Tom to come in your home,
Right.
design it, and he's going to say, okay, we'll do
Right.
this one.
Right.
Yeah.
Right.
And I will throw some pictures up again of CRI, the different, how it brings out the reds and stuff like that. Really amazing.
Yeah.
Especially if you're a restaurant and you want the red in your meats. You know, you have something, apples in a fruit store. I mean, really cool stuff. Diamonds. You have a diamond store. We'll do some really nice lighting on that. Make sure the diamonds look good.
So, the kitchen is the focal point of the family. So much stuff happens here. So we've got we got great sound, we got great light control, and that makes this room so much more inviting, so much more usable.
Absolutely.
If you have questions, if you're thinking about doing a kitchen remodel, please call us. We'd love to help you. We'll work with your kitchen designer, because you're going to have a kitchen designer, because you're going to, what kind of island, what are my custom cabinets, am I using a Sub-Zero, you know, what's my range look like? Those things are way beyond our pay grade, but we know how to integrate our lighting and our sound with all that's going on.
I can't tell you, I think one of the biggest values that you will provide as Bravo AV and Tom is the lighting design. Don't ever think that you're going to design the lighting, or you're going to just have your cousin or uncle design the lighting. I've been on far too many projects, whether it's a kitchen or a basement.
Yeah.
The house is together, the lights come on, and it's like, well, we need lamps in here now. We need, I'm telling you, I don't know, you guys charge for lighting design, or is...
Depends on what we're doing.
Right.
Right. If they want to design only, then we're charging. But if it's part of a larger service, it's all together.
Don't guess on hi-hats, drops, pendants.
Right.
Go to the professional, be happy. Right?
Yeah, right.
Because you're
going to be living with it for a long time.
Yeah. Even the color of the light. I mean,
Yeah.
I can't say enough about the lighting design that these guys do.
Yeah.
I'll put some pictures up. All right.
Thank you for watching. It's Tom Curran with Bravo AV.
Rob from National Smart Home. Check out bravoav.com. Go to the knowledge base. I'm going to put a link downstairs. I'm going to put a link below specifically for the kitchen lighting design, because I think you'll see what we're talking about just out of pictures alone. Thanks again.
Thank you.